Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect FXCM to Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. And now the next thing is, how exactly can you create an account in Tradingview? Simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and after doing that, that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, that's going to walk you right into this official homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect FXCM to Tradingview. Now, FXCM is one of the brokers supported by Tradingview. And how do you know that? From this homepage, if you head over to the top of your screen, you're going to see a couple tabs representing diverse features, which include products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So if you head over to brokers and search, you're definitely going to find FXCM as part of the list. Now let's see how we can connect FXCM to Tradingview. Now you have to open the chat window for any market of your choice. Head over to market and open any market of your choice. I've currently opened the Tesla market, and this is it. This is the chart for Tesla. So from this chart window, head over to the bottom of the screen, you're going to find Stock Screener, Time Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. So set it to Trading Panel, and from the Trading Panel, you're going to find a couple of options. So all you need to do is to search easy until you find FXCM. So this is FXCM. Now go ahead and click on FXCM, and that takes you right into this window. Now, you have the option of trading live or doing a demo trade, depending on what you want. So let's say you want to trade live or you want to do a demo trade. Go ahead and click on Connect. Once you click on Connect, it means you confirm that you've read the warning and terms of use and accept all risk. Now, connect. Or you can click on Open Account if you're new to FXCM and you need to create an account in FXCM. So this is the sign-in page for FXCM, to enter your username, your password, and sign in. But if you need to create a new account, back to the page we were in, go ahead and choose the Open Account option, and you'll be able to open an account. That way, you'll be able to connect FXCM to Tradingview. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.